So we are going to make a copy. We open up our Big Leap digital workbook, and we're actually going to do exactly what these steps here have to say. So we're going to make a copy of this file. That way it's your very own and you can make any edits that you would like. To do that, this is a cell phone view. So if you're going to tap, and you're going to notice that at the top, information appears, and there are 3 dots at the top right, more options. Let's click those 3 dots and then click on Share and Export. Once you click there, you're going to have an option that says Make a Copy. Click on Make a Copy, and then you're going to type in, I would suggest, to avoid all confusion, type in your name. So your name here. And then you can save this to your drive, or you can select that drop-down menu and create at the top right. There's a create new folder option. It looks like a little folder with a plus symbol. You can click there and create a new folder. I'm just going to call this the Big Leap. And we will select, and I'm going to actually have to call this 2 because I already have a folder called the Big Leap, so I'm going to just create this and say create. You'll get this example where it says this folder is empty, and at the top you'll notice it says the Big Leap -2. Select this destination, and at the very bottom right you're going to click on select. And then it'll pop up again and it'll say document title, your name, the Big Leap workbook, and then there's the folder it's going to, and then we can click on OK. And now you will have your very own digital workbook that you can edit and make it exactly how you want it to be. The table of contents is pretty handy. So for example, if you want to go to your zone tracking list, you can click right on where it says zone tracking list, and it'll take you right to your zone tracking list. And you can start filling in here your information. Now, if you tap on there, you're like, why isn't it working? Notice at the very bottom, when you tap on the screen, at the very bottom right, there is a little square with an edit button. It's got a pencil image. You'll click on that, and that will allow you to tap in and type. So I'm going to tap twice, and then a little bar is going to show up, and that lets you know you can then type in something from your Genius. So for me, I'm going to say holding space. That's one of my Genius zones. Maybe, playing music, teaching, and so on. Then we'll go into excellence, competence, incompetence, and so forth. For me, like incompetence example, mechanical stuff. Things like auto and stuff is a little annoying for me. Anyways, when you're done, you'll save by clicking on the little check mark at the top left, this little checkbox, and you now have your document. And another cool thing, if you want to just save this to your phone, you can click on the 3 dots at the top right once again, and you can go to share and export once again, and add to home screen. This is really, really handy. So you can just add to home screen. You can click on that image and drag and drop it to anywhere you want your document to go. And for example, I'm going to find a space that's totally free. I got a lot of apps, don't judge me. Here we go. So let's just say, for example, I want to drop it there. Then I've got my Big Leap, and I can just tap there anytime I want and start filling in my information, and it'll kind of automatically remember where you left off. So that is a guide on how to do this on your cell phone. If you are doing this from your desktop, same idea. At the top left, you'll click on File, Make a Copy, go through the same exact steps, and you just won't be saving it to your phone. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I hope that was helpful, and happy tracking.